There are lots of transferable skills from sport and from athletics, but I think the biggest one for me, and I'll take it back to studying. When I was in school, I was smart enough to get away with kind of not maybe doing too much revision, and I could get to my GCSEs. But when I got to A levels, it got very hard. You know, you can't just do that. But when I went to university, I understood that I would never have gone into a competition with a day of work or a week of work. I would have done a whole year of it. I think most people would be surprised that sport teaches them educationally and work-wise, like how to work hard and how to prepare for something in the future. I think quite often people underestimate that you would never just prepare for a sporting event the day before. So why would you do it for a work event or a schooling event? So looking at education and work like sport, being able to break it down into its component parts like you would do in your sport was something that really transformed my education and let me go on to the next level.